Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I am unboxing my first Apple Watch. So yeah, the reason I actually decided to do this unboxing is because when I realized that the Series 7 didn't come in that rose goldy color, I wanted to see how it would look like on someone of my dark melanin skin tone. But I couldn't find a video online, so I thought let me do one for anybody else who might be looking for the same kind of video. As you can see, it comes presented beautifully in this white box. It's so nice. There's something so satisfying about unboxing a new tech product, right? So here you go, the first part, and you have the watch face and the strap inside. So I got the Starlight whatever. I'll leave it written on the screen and all down in the description box as well. And guys, did I mention that I had to wait 4 whole weeks to have this delivered? So honestly, if you want to get an Apple Watch for someone for Christmas or whatever, order it now because it might take a while to get to you. That bit is so satisfying to do. So yeah, I've just had a Fitbit Versa for like the last couple of years and absolutely loved it. But I basically moved over to the dark side and I have an iPhone now, and I've always had a MacBook, so I thought, you know what, let me just get the whole suite. This is what Apple does well. They tie you in, they lock you into that ecosystem, but it's okay because I really do love this watch. It's so nice. It's a bit of a struggle to get the box open, but there you go. So inside the box you have the watch face and some instructions. But like, who actually reads instructions these days? I can't remember the last time I've ever read instructions for anything. But anyway, here it is there. So you can see it's like a goldy silver color, which is why I didn't know if it would suit me or not, but I really like it. You'll see in a bit. So yeah, there are the instructions. And the funny thing is, actually, I was planning on getting the Series 6. I completely forgot that this is the time of year when like the new tech devices come out. And then I was told, oh, well, you might as well get the Series 7. It's exactly the same price, which is so odd. But anyway, yeah, so that's why I ended up getting this one. Because I was planning on getting the rose gold color in the other one. Although I don't think they actually call it rose gold, but it looks rose gold. Yep, so there's the charger. So luckily my iPhone, I think it's the same USB-C that it uses, so I'll be able to plug it into my charger head. But if you don't have one, then obviously you need to either charge it on your actually you can't charge it on your laptop. Actually, you could charge it on your MacBook because I think some MacBooks have USB-C slots, don't they? My brother's does. So yeah, either that or you need to buy a head for it so you can plug it into the wall. And I have actually worn it like overnight. I actually forgot to take it off. I don't usually sleep with my watches on, but yeah, I fell asleep with it and it was super comfortable. Just wear it loose and it literally, you feel like you're not wearing anything. And the charge is still going, so I should probably top it up though because I didn't charge it at all. Okay, so this is the strap. I absolutely love this color. It's like a, I don't know, like a taupe color. One of my favorite colors. And again, with this you get some instructions and the strap. So it comes with 2 straps. You get the smaller size and then you get the bigger size. Don't mind me struggling to get them all out. It's all very well packaged. There are the 2 different length straps, and I only have little wrists, so obviously I'm going to go for the small one. And then I'm just going to attach it onto the watch so that I can try it on and show you how it looks on. It wasn't easy to get out, but you just need to keep pushing it and then it does eventually slide out. There you go. Ooh, isn't she beautiful? Really nice. Like, honestly, I'm a gold and like rose gold kind of person, but I was happy with this. It doesn't look too silver, but it kind of does, but it kind of doesn't. So it's not silver, which I definitely wouldn't have liked. I could have done with reading the instructions for this bit, but I do figure out in the end. It's not rocket science. If it doesn't fit one way, turn it the other way, Aisha. This is way easier to put. These straps are way easier to put on than my Fitbit ones. My Fitbit ones were so fiddly and you would literally break your nails or chip your nail polish in the process. So yeah, I really like this. And getting it on eventually is actually quite easily once I figured out how to do that. And it's really secure as well because you're obviously tucking that end under like that. And ta-da! I really do like it. It's really nice, and I think it works really nice with accessories, not just like bracelets, but like when you have like a ring on your finger as well, and it just looks really good. I love it so much. And I think what really started to draw me towards the Apple Watch was the more elongated shape compared to the Fitbit square shape. The Fitbit looks great too, but yeah, this is a winner. So I'll leave all the links and everything in case you want to purchase one or have a look at it. And they do come in lots of different colours. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed my unboxing. Catch you later, guys. Bye.